the fine pieces of timber. Who actually calls it timber? And you see a weirdo fell in the tree. Oh, I fell.
I fooled my dad. Oh, yeah.
Jack, stop that, you wanker.
Language.
Jack's going so badly.
Jack, spitting jizz all over
We're
me.
underneath a tree. A fallen tree to be precise. Get that sticker on my camera. What if I said Jack went home? Would you like it? Or would you hate it?
I would like it. I am camouflage.
I would like it too.
He isn't home.
This is Jack's room.
Ah, shit.
Oh, good point.
Ow. Oh,
Ah, weirdo fail.
oh, shit. Ah.
We got some Harry Body and the young young
He got
scrubs.
stick in his bum.
It's in my
I'm gonna smack that golden skull. I'm gonna whip you if you're a whip.
I'm a strawberry, a banging on my song, ding ding dong.
See, Jack gives you the finger in the mouth and badly behind your back.
I'm gonna beat him up.
Oh,
Oh,
Ow,
this
shit.
is getting rough.
look at this beautiful nature, guys. Just go beat him up.
I'm not going to take this from Jack. I'm not
Behind my back. Behind my back.
Find me back. Oh, I hope I got that. I just have a wee twig breaking. Doesn't really look normal, a tree lying with a bank.
I watched it too.
Smack him in the nose.
But my own skateboard. My own skateboard yoke.
Matches your phone, look.
It does!
That'll be camouflage. He's going to the other side.
I did.
My channel, leave it on.
Subscribe to my channel, Insanity Beast. I got 6 subscribers now.